Hey there, cleaning enthusiasts. Today I've got something amazing to share with you, the Stardrops Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Bundle. This incredible bundle includes all the essentials for keeping your home sparkling clean, from the versatile pink stuff cleaning paste to the tough multi-purpose spray, the non-drip bathroom foam cleaner, and the amazing Miracle Cream Cleaner. The pink stuff cleaning paste is a must-have for both indoor and outdoor cleaning, while the multi-purpose spray is tough on stains and leaves everything shining like new. The bathroom foam cleaner clings to surfaces, removes dirt, and prevents limuscale buildup, and the Miracle Cream Cleaner is a mild abrasive cleaner made from natural particles. And let's not forget about the Miracle Window Cleaner, which effortlessly removes grease and grime from windows, mirrors, and other glass surfaces. With this bundle, you'll have everything you need to tackle any cleaning task in your home. So, if you're ready to experience the cleaning power of Stardrops Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Bundle, be sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible product. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing cleaning tips and product reviews. Happy cleaning!